Ito ang magiging bahay namin for 7 days.
Ayun yung room natin, oh. Nakto na yung napakalaking barko ng Celebrity Cruise na sasakyan natin.
Room tour na tayo.
Wow! Ganda ng Barcelona, oh. Yun yung castle, guys. Hello, Your Highness. My name is Johannes. I'm John. We are Johannes and John. Okay, guys. Today is the first day of our cruise. Pero nandito pa kami sa hotel ngayon. Mag-check out kami in about 1 hour. And sobrang punuan ngayon ng elevator kaya nag-stairs lang kami. Lalabas muna kami ni John kasi magko-coffee muna kami. Wala kasi silang coffee dito sa hotel kasi close na yung kanilang restaurant. So, maghahanap tayo ng coffee na malapit dito. May nakita si John na 5-star cafe. So doon tayo pupunta. Ayun, ilang floor na lang, dear. Naglakad kami from 7th floor. Hindi na kami kakain dito sa hotel, guys, kasi may buffet naman doon sa cruise. Which way? Okay. Ay, the weather is cool, ha? Okay, so siguro mga 5 minutes na kami naglalakad. Wala pa rin kami nakikitang restaurant. We went to the other side of the hotel. And on the other side also, wala pa rin. Ayun. May nakita kaming coffee shop dito, guys, malapit sa hotel. Siguro sobrang sarap ng kape nila dito or mga tinapay kasi pinipilahan talaga eh. Ayan. So, thank you. I need more. Ate kami ni John dito. How much is their coffee, dear?
I have no idea.
Okay, tignan natin kung masarap ba itong kanilang bread sandwich.
It was $9.30.
It's fish. So, pescaro. Meron silang dyaryo. Siyempre hindi mo maintindihan. Okay. So, tinake out lang namin yung coffee namin kasi hindi na namin ito maubos. Kaya kalibango na daw si John. So, uli na lang big hotel. Balik na lang big hotel. Sobrang daming naninigarilyo dito sa side na to. And nakakatakot daw yung area na ito eh. Dito banda sa hotel na tinutuluyan namin. Wala rin kasi kaming choice, guys, kasi ito lang yung hotel na 3-star na malapit sa ano namin, cruise ship. Mag-Uber kami mamaya. I think we still have how many minutes here?
Many minutes.
Alright. Hi guys, nakapag-check out na kami. Ayan, waiting na lang kami sa aming Uber. At papunta na tayo ngayon sa cruise. See you soon! Ayan, excited na ako guys. Na makita kasi first time namin ito eh sa Celebrity Cruise XL. Pinakabagong cruise ship dito. So, wow, excited na talaga ako.
Hi guys, good morning. We are heading to Terminal D. Ayan, to catch our cruise ship. Our boarding should be 12 here. Boarding time
11:30.
11:30. 10:30 a.m. kami nagising kanina. Kaya lumabas muna kami. Ayan, nandito na yung mga gamit natin. Ayan, kumpleto. Punong-puno yung sasakyan. Ngayon lang ako nakasakay ng ganito. Mercedes. Ayan.
Mercedes-Benz.
Ayan. So ganito pala, harapan pala ang Mercedes-Benz. Ayan o. Harapan yung kanyang upuan. It's good for family. Sarap yung napuntahan namin kanina na cafe. As in, sabi nga ni Jan bakit wala daw mga ganun na cafe sa Amerika? Rapa. Hindi na kami nag-heavy meal kanina kasi may mga buffet naman doon sa cruise. Kaya doon na lang tayo kakain. Ayan na, nakikita ko na yung cruise na sasakyan namin. Ayan. Ito yung barko na sasakyan namin, guys. Sa app kasi guys, sabi yung terminal daw is letter D. Pero yung cruise nakadock dito sa terminal B. So hindi namin alam kung ano yung totoo. Nakahaba ng pila oh. The line is long already. Okay, nandito na kami guys. Ayan na po yung cruise.
Guys, ito na yung napakalaking barko ng Celebrity Cruise na sasakyan natin. Ito yung magiging bahay natin for 7 days. At pupuntahan natin ang Malta, Turkey, and Greece. Ala, excited na ako sa Santorini. Tara, mag-house tour na tayo. Ay, house tour. Mag-room tour na tayo. Let's go! Uy, may GoPro. Alright, let's go! Hala, excited na talaga ako, guys. Grabe. Ayan na, yung barko na pupuntahan natin. Ay, barko? Barko na sasakyan natin for 7 days. Magche-check-in muna tayo. I-ready muna natin ang ating mga passport. Ayan. Hala guys, grabe, excited na talaga ako. Nandito na kami. Agay, ang bigat. Ang bigat. Ang hirap nitong gagawin natin kasi. Marami kasi kaming dala. Ayan, ang daming mga nag-a-assist dito. Okay. Kunin muna natin yung ang mga papers natin nandito. Nasa bag ko. Okay. So, meron kami dito. Ayan. Kailangan natin ito. Okay. Sobrang busy talaga nila, guys. Oh. Ganito talaga pagka mag-check-in pa lang, sobrang busy. Mahaba ang pila. Ayan. Ayan na si Jan. Marami kasi 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ang check-in natin. Ito yung sa akin, Johannes Tubigan.
Galing kayong Pinas o sa ibang...
US.
US?
Oo.
Sa US kayo. Saan sa US?
Saan kayo sa atin? Sa Florida.
Sa Florida. Yung tita ko taga doon eh.
Saan kayo sa atin?
Sa Fillmore ako lumaki, in Terminal 3.
Airbase?
Airbase.
Airbase. Hello, Dion. Shout out. Matagal ka na dito sa...
6 years pa lang.
Oh.
Ikaw, matagal ka na sa Florida?
5 years.
5. Okay, so yun na. Just make sure you have your boarding passes on you
Yes.
and your passports.
Wait, please.
Hello.
Prepare your boarding pass.
Maraming salamat sa kababayan talaga natin, no? Kasi pinauna kami niya sa pila.
I'm John. This
And
is
I'm Johannes.
Jan?
John.
And Johannes.
Johannes. I like this camera. So
Oh,
It's a nice one, yes.
you wanna say hi? Hi, Raul.
So, of course,
it's the vlog.
it's not
Yeah.
allowed.
Visa, okay?
Visa.
Your passport.
Okay.
Your passport is
Green
here?
card. I have a green card also.
Okay.
Okay.
Green card and extension.
And extension letter. Ipapa-approve muna niya sa kanyang manager. Okay, so tapos na kami mag-check-in, guys. Hindi naman tinignan yung aking Turkey electronic visa. Hindi na nila kinuha. So, we're all good. Marami na kaagad pagpasok mo, marami na kaagad mga souvenir, oh. Mga jackets, mga lanyards, mga t-shirts, mga balls. Ayan, mga jewelry. It's like duty-free. More luggage. Maybe you want more pasalubong. Pagdating mo dito, may magpipicture-picture na kaagad. Oh. Ayan. Kung gusto ninyo, ayan, oh, dyan kami sasak. Okay, akyat na tayo. Ay. Hala. Ang bilis ng check-in nila dito, ha? It's pretty much fast, the check-in process. Wala nang masyadong tanong, wala nang masyadong double checking. Expedited. Oo. We skip the long line. Tara na, ito na guys. Pasok na tayo. Ang layo ng lalakaran natin, ha? Okay. Ayan na guys, tapos na kami mag-check-in at papunta na tayo ngayon sa room natin. Excited na ako na mag-room tour. Ayun, oh, nakikita ko na yung room natin, oh. Ayan, at mga restaurant. Hala, excited na ako. Oh, ang laki ng barko. Hello.
It's right to the mustard station. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
In case of an emergency, the emergency signal is 7 short blasts followed by 1 long blast. If you hear this emergency signal, please proceed to the master station. And also, medical facility is on deck number 2 forward, and that emergency number is 911.
Okay, connect to the Wi-Fi muna tayo.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So, access internet tayo. And then, enter the 4-digit code to connect. Hello, hello, hello.
welcome.
Meet you.
Amy, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. 29. Yung room natin. Oh. Ay, ito ba yun? Okay. Hala, hindi siya ma-open. Ayun, ito na tayo sa room natin. Tara, mag-room tour na tayo. Okay, dear. Come on. Okay. Alright. Ngayon, i-adjust lang ni John ang temperature ng room natin. I think it's well adjusted now. Okay, let me put this one here first. While the room is still intact. Okay, so you'll be here. While the room is still clean and intact, we are doing the room tour. Okay, so pagpasok nyo dito guys, we have to do the right away, darling. The banyo. Wow! Look at this beautiful and clean and spacious bathroom, restroom of Celebrity Excel. Ang sink is mas malapad siya, dear. And then meron silang, oh, okay. Merong hair blower, disposable bags. Ayan. More storage in here. There's the trash can. Extra towel. Ayan. More spacious or shelves in here. And on this side, another shelves. Super clean toilet. Ayan. And then look at the shower. Wow. So it is there. Shampoo, conditioner, shower gel. Pretty much spacious, no?
Very spacious.
Okay. So, on this side. Okay. So, on this, okay, ito na yung bed nila. Is this a queen, dear, or king?
Looks like a king to me.
Okay. So, this is the king size bed and, ay, hindi siya masyadong ganun kalambot, guys, but it's still good. It's just firm. Nandito yung kanilang laundry bag. So, kung maipapalaundry, which is marami kaming ipapalaundry ngayon, lalagay na, mukhang mapupuno, dear. Looks like it's gonna be full right away.
Right, it's already full.
Okay. So, on both sides, dear, show it, they have side tables with lamp, and then they have the telephone if you call the reception or anything, if you need anything. Okay. And on the side table, may mga shelves din siya sa side table. So, oh, wow, first time that they load up water in the room.
I bought that.
Huh?
I bought that.
Oh, you bought this?
Yes.
Oh, binili pala ni Jan ito. Ayan.
We have to load it in the refrigerator now.
Okay. So, nandito na yung event for today and for, I think, for tonight, for the whole day. Nandito yung event for the whole day. And then, later, magbibigay din yan sila ng ganyan for the event naman for tomorrow. So, nandito yung vanity. Ayan, mirror. This one is the charge. Ay, hala dear. Wow! Nandito yung kanilang charging station. Bongga. Tapos nandito yung kanilang ref, darling. Or safe. Ay, ref! Yung ref nila kakaiba. Tingnan mo, dear. Yung ref mayroong.
Maybe.
Wow!
Children.
Lock. Ayan, oh, ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ref na may disusi, may lock. So, ilo-load natin dito, dear, ang mga water later. So, nandito, lagayan natin ito, dear, ng mga, what are we gonna put in here? All our clothes, or maybe brief. Undies, socks. Wow! Wow na wow. Evian. Di ba mamahalin ito? This is included, dear, or...
I think there's an upcharge for that.
Ay, halaka, magkano ang Evian? $5. Huy, 250 ang soda. Huy, water is more expensive than soda. This cruise, we don't have balcony, but we have this, what do you call this, dear?
Porthole.
Porthole. Ayan, ay, wow! Ganda ng Barcelona, oh. We can see it from here, the beautiful Barcelona castle. Parang castle yun, oh.
Yeah, we drove by that yesterday.
Oo, yun yung castle, guys. Oh, wow.
It's near the end.
So, pwede tayo dito. Can I sit here? Looks like it's not sturdy. Ayan, oh. Wow, guys. Welcome to Celebrity Excel. Tutulog na kami ni John. Sarado na natin to. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye! Load up muna natin ito, guys, ang mga water natin para malamig siya all the time.
How many will fit?
Maybe 8. Ay, let me close it. It won't close. Only 4 or 5. It won't close if I double it eh. Ayan oh, lalagay natin dito. Dito sa gilid. Perfect.
No.
Nope. Nope also. Like that.
That's it.
Okay, maybe one more.
I don't think so.
Just try. You have to put it here. Maybe. Perfect. So, 6. I think we will finish it by the end of the cruise. You excited?
Very excited.
All right. What's our next step? Go out and eat or what?
Yeah, we gotta go wander around.
Okay, wander around
Where
the
are the cards?
The cards is in there. Make sure that you always have this one because when you dine in or order something, they ask for your card for your payment. At the end of the cruise, they will total how much will you pay. Guess how much will we pay at the end of the cruise? For the extra extra only.
$1,000.
$1,000 because beer,
Oh, just because you're gonna have things in the restaurant.
restaurant,
Upcharge.
excluding tip
You're gonna
excluding
have
tip.
coffee. You're gonna have soda.
So wala pa po yung luggage natin.
$5 for soda.
Oo nga.
How many dollars for coffee?
Uy, hindi ko pa pala napakita lahat, dear. I haven't shown everything. Okay. In here, here's our closet. Oy. Oh, you cannot open, I think.
No,
Ay, ayun.
you're just not strong.
Okay, so, closet tour muna tayo, guys. So, nandito. Is there a light in here? No light. Okay, so may mga hangers sila dito. Ayan. Medyo madami-dami din yung hanger nila. And then, nandito yung safe. And then, may mga drawers dito. Pretty much the same lang yung kanyang design ng closet sa ibang mga cruises. Ayan, may 1, 2, 3 drawers. Pwede mong ilagay dito ang ating mga medyas, mga panty, and everything. And then dito, pwede mo ihang dito yung iyong pants na gagamitin mo pa, i-rewear mo. Tapos dito pwede mo lagay yung luggage or dito mo ilagay yung iyong mga used clothes. Ayan, so it's pretty much new. Actually, Celebrity Excel, dear, inaugurated last year, right?
At least. I don't know exactly the time.
Oo, I think November 2025 and nag-start po sila guys sa Caribbean. They started in Caribbean for like siguro mga 2 cruises. Excited na ako! So, actually guys, before we were torn if we will book balcony or we will book this one, you call it porthole. Ay, magnet pala ito. Okay. Ayan, mag-connect muna kami sa internet. Nakuha na namin yung code namin. Ngayon, okay pala ang porthole. First time namin na ganito guys mag-book ng ganito guys na room, porthole. And I think this will be our dear, in the future, we will do porthole. Because it's nice,
Yeah.
It's nice. It's not bad. Kasi when we book kasi balcony, guys, we don't usually stay outside because sometimes it's very hot. So, it's just a waste of money. Couple thousand, right? If we do balcony, couple thousand
It goes
additional.
up like 16, 18.
Oo. So, mag-connect muna ako, dear. I'm gonna connect also. Hindi ko pala napakita sa inyo ang ating couch. Ayan. Beautiful couch. Mag-relax na si John. Wow. Sana yung beer mo. Ayun o, mayroon na, dear. Nag-ano na sila, excursion. Mangisda siguro yan sila ay. Ayan o. Okay, magko-connect muna ako sa Wi-Fi, guys. Did I put my phone? Okay. I will only need Alright, connecting na ako sa internet, guys. Alright.
Doesn't control the others. What is our dial? There's
Ay.
morning, movie, sleep.
Aha. What about... Okay. Na-off na siya.
All right.
Perfect!
What do we do if we hit it again?
Ooh.
We don't need the buttons.
We don't need the
that.
button, yeah.
Unless you're just controlling a little.
Mm-hmm.
But we're leaving, so we don't
So
need
it's
that.
smart.
Very smart.
Right. Punta muna tayo, guys, sa buffet area nila.
All you need to do is check. Looks like 15, 14 or 15
Spa, Ocean View. Okay, 14. Ocean View.
for a rooftop.
Alright.
Going down.
Oh. Kung na siya itatouch, guys, ganyan lang, oh. Yan. Did you put 12?
No. What it is I didn't touch it, but if you get your hand in front of it,
Oh.
you don't have. I forgot. You don't have to
Left
touch.
door.
You don't have to touch the keys.
Mm-hmm. The
Going
keys?
up.
The buttons, the keys.
Yeah, you don't have to touch it. You just,
Which maybe it's a little sensitive.
Going up.
puntahan natin ang kanilang Ocean View Cafe dahil magla-lunch na tayo. Ayan, at maliligo tayo dito mamaya. Walang katao-tao kaya masarap magligo dyan. Maghiga-higa tayo dito. Tapos, tignan natin ang mga magagandang view.
Thank you very much for your kind attention and continue enjoying your day aboard the beautiful Celebrity Excel.
Ayun, for Celebrity Excel, ito po yung kanilang art. Do you wanna? Monkey. You can play. Monkey. You wanna video the monkey or picture with the monkey? Sit down in the monkey. Okay, nandito na kami ngayon sa buffet at mag-order muna kami ng drinks. Ooh, that's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, different can.
Different can.
See the glass up? How about you, sir?
We're together.
We're together. Yeah. Okay.
So this is $4.5. Kanilang mga wow. Right?
It's hard to see in the video. Smells good in here.
Right?
We're gonna have to walk after lunch.
Heh. Dito yung kanilang salad bar. Daily features. Chicken. Sweet potato fries. Cottage pie. No sugar. Then we have the grilled favorite. And then the gluten-free. And then I have the Carberry. I think I'll get the swordfish. And then I'm gonna get, gusto ko to sana kaso nga lang chicken sana kaso nga lang oh, wow, fresh. Ang dami talagang selection. Ang daming selection ng mga food, guys. Gusto ko sana yung ito sana chicken. Roasted turkey. Ayan, ito na lang sa akin. Mashed potato. I think I'm just gonna get a little. And then I'm gonna put some gravy. Yeah, that's it. Ay, nakakita si Jan ng magandang space, oh. Thank you, darling. I'll ask. Oh. Yeah, that's the only one left there. Okay, dito na lang muna ako. Oy, ang ganda ng view natin habang kakain tayo. Kukuha lang si Jan ng food. Kain tayo, guys. Ayan, first meal natin ngayon. Swordfish at saka mashed potato and eggplant. Ang sarap. Sarap ng eggplant. No rice ako. Kasi nag-rice ako kahapon. Ang dami kong nakain na rice kahapon. Kaya konti lang kakainin ko. Sarap. Anong oras na ngayon sa Pinas? 7:58 PM na. Pwede pa ata ako mag-upload. Ang sarap ng mashed potato nila, ha, in fairness. And then yung fish nila, hindi siya matigas. Freshly cooked talaga siya. Hello, Kitty Province. Ayan si Kitty Province, taga-abang sa amin sa door, guys, oh. Nakikita namin kahit saan kami sa mundo, kahit nandito tayo sa Barcelona, nakikita pa rin natin yung mga pusa natin. Clamel!
Hello, nice to see you.
Ay, same restaurant?
No, it's
Oh.
a different concept. It's the first one in the fleet, Bora. I want to invite you there. Just come to see me there. Okay.
We will see you.
Nice to see you. Nice to see you, Clamel.
Johannes and John.
Yeah.
We are Johannes and John.
Yeah. Remember.
Thank you.
Maghugas muna tayo, guys.
Hello, hello.
Yes, kami yun. Nice to meet you. See you around. We have another.
I have another.
Okay. We have to turn on the light.
That's sitting there.
That's good, huh?
Why is that there?
That's not ours. Maybe they charge it to our room.
Maybe.
All right, I'm just gonna put this one, guys, in the ref. And then in here. Okay. Do we lock the thing? No. It's just for fun. It's just for fun. We have to hang na, guys, ang clothes namin. I think magpapalaundry tayo. Okay, I'm gonna hang my shirt first. Up. Okay. Roll it. Roll it
on the river.
Okay. So. Maybe we can request more. So, polo lang daw ang ating ihahang, guys, sabi ni John. Gusto ko sana ipa-iron ito eh. We can have it iron, no?
If you call the bank.
We're on vacation. We don't worry about that. We worry about that later. When we're already broke.
It's coming soon.
To buy lots of sardines. No more kitty cat food, I think.
Right? To sell the cats.
Sell the cats to Kate.
Uh-huh.
Ang dami ko kasi, ayan oh. Sobrang gusot talaga niya, guys. Dear, look at that. It really needs to be ironed.
We'll use the hair dryer for it.
Oh? Is that a trick?
Maybe.
Pwede, no?
Where's the hair dryer? You need it. Get it wet and then hair dry it.
Ay,
I don't know if it'll really work or not.
gandang idea yun, ha? Ah. So, sabi ni John, itong mga polo lang daw namin ang aming ihang.
It's just what they bought. I don't know.
But actually, you can still use that one for the regular t-shirt.
No, the clips are too hard.
Too hard, no?
Yeah. Then maybe the wrinkles will fall away. How many days do we stay in Manila?
0 days. We have to fly right away.
It's already in the itinerary.
I have it booked, yeah. Okay.
We would always get a room.
Yeah, in Davao. We're going to stay at Amer's place.
Okay.
We are the first customer.
So we
We have
get
to
a
sit-
ride,
The following day.
or the driver meets us at
Yeah, the following day.
Manila, and then we fly from
Yeah.
Manila to.
Mm-hmm.
We just hand off the bag.
Hand up the bag.
It won't fit, huh?
No.
Why did they give you so many of these?
Maybe we do it like this. In the middle. Because earlier it struggles.
Plus all the buttons.
Wow. Perfect.
Too many
I
buttons
figured
closed.
it out. I figured it out, guys. Ang hirap kasing i-hanger ng ibang mga t-shirt guys kung itong ganitong hanger na may clip ang gagamitin. Kaya buti na lang na figure out ko na kailangan mo lang pala siyang i-move in the middle para mas madali lang isuksok sa mga damit. Mahal pala ang bayad kapag ipaplansya ko itong lahat ng damit ko guys. Siguro nasa, hindi ko pa na double check pero feeling ko nasa $5 to $10 ang isang piraso. Parang makabili ka na ng isang t-shirt. No? Isang pasalubong na t-shirt. Well anyway, siguro yung ipaplansya ko lang dito guys is yung mga polo na gusutin talaga at yung isang pants ko na gusutin din.
You only have 2 pairs of shorts?
Yep. What's the color? The brown and the floral?
Floral,
And then brown?
brown.
Oh, I didn't realize that. I hear, darling. Here, oh. That's one for you and one for me, because you like that black.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so may naghahanap daw sa akin na fans, sabi ni John. Sabi mo dear, may naghahanap na fans from Batangas?
Batangas.
Oo, from
Chris from
Batangas.
Batangas.
Chris from Batangas. So,
Hope I remember
tignan
his
natin.
name right.
Okay, so kausapin natin, tingnan natin, interviewin natin. Nag-ano siya kay John nag-offer siya kay John ng beverage package. 593 dear.
Yes.
500.
30% discount today.
Ah, okay. Only today, no?
Probably.
Hello. Ayan, so, what floor?
3rd floor.
3rd floor?
Actually, we want to go all the way down.
Okay. Because this is 3rd floor.
Let's go to the 4th floor. It's easier.
Okay. Ayan, so puntahan natin si Chris of Batangas. I think mas makasave tayo, no? Kasi sabi ni Jan, kapag hindi siya kukuha ng beverage package, more than $1,000 ang kanyang magastos. Pero pag mag-beverage package siya, medyo makaless siya ng konti.
Because last time I did it just for me,
Aha.
and it ended up being about the same.
Okay.
It was less, a couple $100 less. But if I have to do it for both of us,
Ay, nandito yung kanilang mga specialty store, oh. Yung mga luxury item nandito. Mga there's Birkin bag, ha? Aha. Oh, very expensive. And then next time, pwede tayong dumaan dito sa Future Cruise. Ayan, mga expensive watch nandito.
I was going to. You're videoing.
It's okay. Going to what? Oh. It's okay. Wow, beautiful celebrity. Ah, yeah, I remember him. Is he from Indonesia? Indonesia?
Probably.
Yeah. At dahil ito ang flagship cruise ng Celebrity Cruises, guys, nandito ang pinaka the best of the best na mga crew. Kagaya nito, si Kadek.
No, I'm going someplace else right now. I'll be back.
I recognize him. Is he the one who's doing the show?
He does the commercial.
Ay, siya pala yung siya yung one of the face of the cruise. He's in the guys, in the advertisement. Ay, ang ganda dito, dear, oh. Oh, very exquisite. Hello! Shout out! Chris of Batangas.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Hi! Ay, grabe guys. I'm very happy na maraming kababayan tayong nakikilala dito sa cruise. Palagi daw niyang pinapanood ang ating mga videos.
I was trying to message you. Do you see a message in your app? There's Daniel Balud in the back.
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah, everything's really set up the same. Craft bar. Yeah, good.
But he works in Cyprus. Joey, you remember Joey?
It's nice to see you again, ha?
Yeah. When he told me that you're here, I said, Johannes and John. Johannes and John vlogger. Yeah.
The ship's beautiful, huh?
Oh, yes.
It's clean and brand new.
Flagship.
We can't wait to check
All the
other.
ice is here. All the ice from the office is here. Because this is the first flagship that, you know, when you go deck 5, you go, there is all the memorabilia of celebrity cruises.
Nice.
The flagship store that you can find a lot of rare stuff.
Celebrities definitely our favorite.
Kapamilya ni Marilyn. Matagal ka na dito?
Tagal ako sa celebrity.
Ah.
Maybe we are this way. When we first started, we walked past the Alachi.
Aha.
Oh wow, look at that.
This is our puppy. Floral puppy. Guys, ayan, paalis na po yung barko na sinasakyan namin at yung first stop natin ay sa Valletta, Malta. Ayan, oh. Siguro, mga isang araw tayo bago makarating sa Valletta, Malta. Excited ako dahil first time natin pupunta sa Malta. Walang katao-tao. Parang kami lang ang tao dito sa barko, guys. Where's my water? Okay, let's go.
It's still recording. It's full speed ahead.
Oh, that makes me dizzy.
Really?
If I look at the water. Wow, ang galing ng kumakanta ngayon, ha? Wow, he has a beautiful voice. Hmm? Picture?
The rainbow picture. It's coming
Ay,
through the
oo
glass.
nga, no? Maybe here?
Yeah, it's definitely not that way.
So maybe here. Down. Our room is right in the middle of everything. We love our room. Ay, dear, Excel. Here. Maybe use your phone and transfer it to me. Hi guys, kagigising ko lang and si John ay nandoon sa bar. Okay, on muna natin yung ilaw ng full light. Okay. Sabi niya, hindi niya daw alam kung saan kami mag-dinner. Saan yung card? Sabi niya, look the card. Saglit. Which card? Ah, ito. Cosmopolitan. Ayan, deck 4 Cosmopolitan. Alright. I-message ko siya kasi I think doon na lang kami magkikita. Deck 4 Cosmopolitan. I think I like buffet tonight. What do you think? Okay. So, parang mas gusto ko i-try yung sa buffet kasi marami silang choices, maraming options and all. Pag sa ano kasi guys is very limited lang. Sa tawag nito, Magsa-specialty restaurant. So, magdadala pa rin ako ng microphone. Okay, puntahan ko na si Jan. Magsasapatos lang ako and then pupuntahan ko na si Jan. Sa bar lang siguro kami magkikita. Ayan. So, naka-polo short lang ako. Like I always do. Paulit-ulit yung mga damit ko sa cruise, guys. Okay lang yan. Okay, papakita natin sa inyo kung gaano kadami ang mga food nila sa dinner, sa buffet. Okay. Ayun. Alright, so wag natin kalimutan itong ating room key card. And then off lang natin yung ilaw. Ayan, so off na siya. And then labas na tayo. Okay, kitain na natin si Jan sa labas. So, meron na silang nilagay dito na mga event for tomorrow. So ilagay na lang muna natin sa loob. Okay. Alright, let's go. Puntahan na natin si Jan. Okay, meron sila ditong guess the weight of the painting. Ayan, guess the weight of the painting to win. Last time ginawa ko yan pero hindi man ako nanalo. Okay, we are here at Cosmopolitan. We're gonna fall in line. And hopefully we have a seat by the window. You're gonna have corn soup. Okay, fresh bread na. Fresh bread. Let's see if the bread's fresh. Looks fresh. No? It does look fresh.
Very fresh.
Yeah. Hi, there is
Good evening, how are you? Yeah. Anything from the wines or bar for you, sir?
champagne.
Champagne for you, sir?
What
What about you, sir?
No, none for me. Thank you. Need the card?
Yeah, just your... So would you like a champagne or Prosecco for you?
Prosecco is fine.
Okay, because champagne will get charged for you. I get you
Okay.
Prosecco, yeah?
Prosecco is very
Just
good.
remind me your room number, sir?
Sobrang sarap nitong salmon. Nakalimutan ko yung tawag niya. Basta salmon ito, guys. Sobrang sarap niya. It's the best.
Fresh from the ice. I love it. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Very good.
Very good. I missed 8:38 by 1 minute.
the best. Let's call it a night. Guest relations, concierge. I think on the other side. Or here. Or forward, no? Home sweet home! Nakabalik na kami guys. Grabe, lasing na talaga si Jana. Kasi na-finish niya ay 2 bottles ata.
You can't tell them that.
Ganyan na siya maglakad guys.
Your shoe's untied.
This is mine.
Yours mine.
You said I got your card.
Yeah, you must have.
Love you.
Love you more.
Actually, nag-nap ako kanina. And then si Jan ay bumaba siya. Nag-inuman na siya doon. Mag-charge lang ako ng GoPro. Now, the only problem with this is it's only on the other side that has charging port. And actually, it's 2. 2 on the other side. I don't know what's the reason why they don't put it on the both sides of the bed. The charging port, guys. I don't really know how they do that. Actually, they have 3. There's 2 USB and then 1 regular port. Nakakaloka talaga. Look at that. How tired is he?
Very tired.
I think. So we have here our activity for tomorrow. Captain's 9:45 announcement, evening check, celebrity showtime, Salud Rumba festival show. Are we gonna walk tomorrow morning?
100%.
Okay, mag-walk daw kami guys kasi para ma-burn yung mga calories namin. So we can burn some of our calories because we already ate a lot today.
More than the calories are gonna burn soon.
So ako, mag-charge lang muna ako kasi lobat na talaga yung dalawang ano ko. Tinake out ko na itong aking parang strawberry slurry siya dear. Or slush. So, strawberry slush.
Strawberry sugar slush.
Sugar slush. Ayan. Grabe. What a day. Nag-check-in kami kanina ng mga 12 noon and then sobrang smooth ng process. Unlike sa other previous cruises natin there, no? Have you noticed the check-in process this time is very smoother. Smoother than the previous cruises. And then they didn't even ask for my Turkey visa. I had to remember guys, I had to get a e-visa.
You have to reverse the e-visa.
I have to get a refund.
Right?
Because it's how much? $29 something?
Yeah, I don't know. It wasn't cheap.
It wasn't cheap.
Nothing's cheap.
Nothing's cheap. Being alive is expensive.
100%.
So, ayun guys. Siguro hilamos lang ako bago ako matulog with our Your Highness Collagen Soap. And then, speaking of Your Highness Collagen Soap, si Maylene pala, nag-offer siya na gusto siyang maging distributor ng Your Highness sa Spain. So, ganun pala yung gagawin ko guys. Since marami tayong mga kababayan pala sabi niya na dying to buy, Korean products. And then she said that she can be our distributor in Europe or in Spain. So, we'll see kung magkano yung ibibigay natin na price sa kanya. Kasi hindi ko pa na ano yan guys kung magkakaroon ba ng distributor ang ating Your Highness Collagen Soap. So, we will see. More will be revealed. Ayan na si Jan. Matutulog na. Hi dear. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching for our vlog today.
Thanks for watching.
See you again tomorrow. Bye. Tomorrow we're gonna walk. And then we're gonna have breakfast. That's our itinerary. And if there's no people swimming in the pool, we're gonna try to swim. We're gonna try to use our jacuzzi. Because I don't really like to swim, guys, if there's other people around. Because, I don't know. I just don't feel like it.
Sea day is bad.